Dear children, this is the third module. In this module, we are going to discuss in depth about selection statement. That is, if is the selection statement in Python. It is used to execute statements based on a condition. It tests the condition, and if the condition is true, it performs certain action. Action in the sense, a set of statements. We can also provide action for false situation also. That is, if the condition is false, another set of statements will be executed. If statements in Python is of many form. If without false statement, if with else, if with elif, and nested if. The simple if condition. In the simplest form, if statement in Python checks the condition and execute the statement if the condition is true, and do nothing if the condition is false. So look at the syntax I had given. If condition, statement 1, statements, it may have many number of statements, only one or more than one. All statement belonging to if must have the same indentation level. That is, look at here, statement 1 and statements are in the same indentation. Each statement is compound statement having header and a body contain intended statement. So my dear children, look at the syntax. If condition colon, then statement. Before statement 1, we have to leave some space to make the indentation. We must have to remember some points while we are using if. It must contain valid conditions which evaluates to either true or false. Condition must followed by a colon. It is mandatory, otherwise it becomes a syntax error. Statement inside if must be at the same indentation level, otherwise the Python treat the statements as next sequential statement, next executable statement. Look at the example I had given. Input monthly sale of an employee and give bonus of 10% if sale is more than 50,000. Otherwise bonus will be 0. So bonus becomes 0 at first. Sale, let the employee to give the sale. If it is more than 50,000, the bonus will be sale into 10 divided by 100 and print the bonus. Then these are the two programs which I am given for you for writing the program. To enter 2 numbers and print the largest. Enter 3 number and print the largest using if. This is another example. That is how to give the 2 numbers and get the largest. N1 and N2 is given by the user. Large is equal to N1. If large greater than N2, the large become N2. The large number is large now. My dear children, please put the values for N1 and N2. Then try to execute this program manually. Then only you will know how the program executes this program. Then this is another program. This you people have to try in your Python Pydroid. Then if with the else. If with the else is used to test the condition, and if the condition is true, it performs certain action, and alternative course of action if the condition become false. Look at the syntax. If condition statements, then else statements. I'll give one example. Age is given by the user. If age greater than or equal to 18, congratulations, you are eligible for voting. If the condition become false, that is in the else, print, sorry, you are not eligible for voting. So my dear children, if else provides both actions, that is for true course of action, false course of action are provided in if and else. Else doesn't have any condition at all. My dear children, all these are programs. Please take a screenshot of this and try to write programs for if and if else. Thank you.